Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you easy and quick way how to insert page numbers in Excel. You can insert page number at footer and header. Can insert page number in header and footer. Let's start with the video. Before you go into start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comment below. So let's start with the video. So this is Excel sheet I have, and I want to insert. I have two pages here. You can see this is first page, and I insert the same data into second page. This is my first page. This is second page. Second page is blank. Okay, let's. Okay, so in order to insert the page number in the Excel, first we need the view, layout view. So just go to the views and click here page layout. You can see this is a layout. This is my first page, this is my second page, and here you can add the header numbers and footers number. This is a footer. You can see this is a header. So in order to add header number, you can click this here, and in your tab you will got the new tab like header footer design or design only. So click on it, and now you have to click on the page number, and this code has been appear here, and you can see the code. So in order to see the page number, click anywhere in the Excel. You can see the page number in Excel. Okay, so I already click. Okay, so insert the page number. So you can see the page number has been added here, and second number also add here, page number 2. And you can see I have only two page, 1 and 2. Okay, so if you want to insert the out of page with total page number, so you can add this. Just click again here and just enter the slash and go to the design here again, and you can click on number on page. So you can add number of pages in header. Okay, you can see the header has been added now. So as same, you can add the footer also, and go to the footer and go to the design and click on page number. You can see the code has been appear. Now click anywhere, the code the number will be appear here. And same, if you want to insert the total page in footer also, so click slash and go to the number of page, that will be appear here on both. Okay, you customize page hidden a page number or in Excel, like just click, select, go to the home, and here you can increase decrease your size. You can select font, you can change color also, and you can see the all color has been changed of header. You can just change same way in footer number also. Okay, so here you can I'm going to show you the another feature which is very useful if you want to working in dynamic or in a very professional way. So if you want to if you don't want page numbers in first page in Excel, you can remove it and you keep the page number rest of page as same. So you just go again on, click on this header, go and design, and here you can use different first page. Click on it, so you can see you can change here anything from, you can see other page number is not changes. So this feature, it is very useful if you want to look your Excel sheet very professional. So that is how you can add the insert the page number in Excel. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.